Hey guys, I'm back. I got a unboxing today. I ordered two things from the Disney movie reward things. I'm not sure which one this is. I'm guessing the first one that I ordered. They've both been shipped. I'm pretty sure it's the first one, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show it. I ordered two things from Disney movie rewards and one thing from Listia, but that hasn't been shipped yet. So. Okay, here it is. I put some tape over there because I don't want people coming to my house. Okay, I got some scissors. Figure out where the thing is. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. Or wait, hold on. Okay, I can just put it right there, and you can kind of see what I am doing. Yeah, this is the first one. Okay, it doesn't look like it came with the slip cover. I'm not too upset about this. Okay, that's just other stuff. Okay, what I got was Phineas and Ferb, A Very Merry Christmas. Didn't come with a slip cover. I mean, I'd like to have it with a slip cover, but not too bad. Just the back. Okay, here's the. I'm new to this, guys, and it's kind of hard to open stuff. One hand. Looks like it says they must have got it from Walmart or something. But I ordered it from the movie rewards. Okay. Okay, let me hide this. Okay, here's the disc. And then like the code. You probably saw that, but you could probably not too bad. But yeah, this is my unboxing of Phineas and Ferb, A Very Merry Christmas. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and look out for the other videos I'm gonna make soon whenever my other things come. And talk to you later. Bye.